Biographer of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mr. Balraj Krishna, he collected materials about his life from everywhere, wherever he could contact people. So he would write letters, and all the replies he would collect, use the relevant facts and figures and happenings, and include by editing in his book. Now, certain letters which he received, he had not published in his book, The Man Who Unified India. The book's name is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, The Man Who Unified India. One such letter was from General Sir Roy Butcher, CNC, Indian Army, on 6 March 1969. I cannot quite remember whether it was late 1946 or early 1947 when I went to Delhi for an army commander's selection board meeting. I was invited to go and have tea with Mahatma Gandhi, but it was not deemed advisable for me to accept. I subsequently went to have tea with Sardar Patel. This was the first time I had met him in person. In his drawing room, he greeted me with, "You are a very good hotel keeper, quite one of the best," I said. "Surely you cannot be referring to the time when you and your colleagues were detained in Ahmednagar Fort." The Sardar replied, "Indeed, I am, and we were never more comfortable as king's guests." All the detailed arrangements for the funeral of Gandhi were made in the sitting room of our bungalow in York Place. The members of the Government of India were present. It is interesting that neither the Prime Minister nor the Home Minister interfered in any way with the proposals of the conduct of the funeral or made any criticism afterwards of the arrangements which had been carried out. At that time, I recorded, rioting had broken out in and around Belgaum, and we became very busy rounding up certain private armies in an effort to stamp down out communalism throughout the country once and for all. The Maharaja of Alwar was removed from his state about this time, and I have a note that certain other rulers similarly to be dealt with. The load on Sardar Patel must have been very heavy indeed in his dual capacity as a Home Minister and Minister for States. There were 29 battalions in Kashmir where heavy fighting was taking place. Aggression into Jaisalmer state and also from West Bengal into Assam occurred. It would have been small wonder had Sardar become worried or perturbed, but I personally never saw him other than absolutely composed and determined to uphold law and order throughout country. Later, I was to see him in a rage and realized how his colleagues were dominated. Roy Butcher.